We build bathtubs. Soaking bathtubs. Just to soak in.
An actual builder.
Okay, so Spitfire versus Miata. First of all, let me start off by saying that we did a lot of tug of wars, and I am now not a fan of tug of wars because I don't think they prove anything.
He says his quaif differential wasn't hooking up right, but we all know why. The Miata is superior.
Mine's a 1.5 liter, his is 1.6. It's got like 100 more liters than me.
Yeah, what side are you doing? You definitely could see there was a little bit more high rev clutch dropping in the Miata.
Drop clutch, revving like 6,000, you know?
Hey, you got the jump on him.
My tires, I think, are a half an inch narrower than his tires. So more traction for him.
See, the thing here is he's got the differential as his coping device to win. I don't have that.
Like, dude, he's got a quaif, he's got traction. He's gonna beat him. Look at those tires. They got tread. No.
Yeah, I lost bad. Bad. There's nothing more humiliating than having your vehicle be pulled backwards away from where you want to go. It's terrible. I'm not a fan.
Easy, Ron.
Sorry, I just got excited.
Are you a better driver than David?
No, by all means, no.
The Miata wins.
It makes a big difference that it was Russo, because I usually kick the shit out of him in everything we do. So to lose to Russo is bad. To lose to Russo driving in a Miata, worse.
Oh, your clutch won't grab?
Yeah, I think my clutch is fucking smoked.
I thought, you know, with a Quaif LSD, you were gonna just scoot and boogie in that freaking Miata, that hairdresser's car was gonna look like a bag of junk.
I think we all thought that. I ain't going again, there's no fucking way. I can smell it.
Literally just burning it up.
All that's gonna happen on the third one is shit's gonna break.
When you got Russo behind the wheel, he has no discretion. So,
No.
I almost pulled you into a curb. I apologize.
yeah, he really did almost drag.
Carried away, didn't he?
I'm not sure why you guys are still friends, but
I lost. What are you gonna do? See, that's where I redeem myself, right? Because his car won't do a burnout, but mine will all day. So we decided to pull it into the shop and have a mosquito problem, and I wanted to smoke it out a little bit in here and, you know, get rid of the insects and such. So that was the real reason why we did it, in case anybody's trying to, you know, call my landlord or anything.
It's very effective. Oh, so close.
what car sounds better?
The Spitfire. Oh! Spilt the water.
Chosen